We work seamlessly. It feels like ECI is just an extension of Kellogg's and vice versa. We couldn't do it without them. We rely on them so much, and it's just a really, really wonderful partnership.
ECI is thoughtful about how to put together the booth, about how the space will work, about how the traffic will flow through it. And ECI has been a great partner to SGK in thinking about where the creative will sit, what we want to communicate, what the primary messaging is, and making sure we're just all collaborating together.
Anytime like SGK and Kellogg come up with something like crazy and we bring it to ECI, they're like, oh sure, we can do that. We can make it happen. Like, you want a giant Cheez-It bag and a giant Cheez-It? Yes, we can do that. So it's so fun to work with everybody, just to create a wonderful, sometimes magical experience.
The goal is certainly to lead the way a little bit more, not be following what all the other booths are doing.
So I actually was just hopping on when we were starting to talk about the whole modular program, which has turned out to be really great. They brought this to us, presented to us like everything that we could do, how we could leverage it for different shows, the different ways that we can move the modulars around. As we were moving through that process, it's just been really great knowing what you have to work with, knowing the different setups that you can do. And then again, ECI was just a great partner in setting this up for us, making it extremely easy. So where, we just have to say, great, this is what I need. This is how we want the booth to look. That looks perfect. Awesome.
But we've worked together to think about how to make all the pieces work together so it feels like a unified booth. It's not a few pieces of rental property or a few pieces of even owned properties that are skinned in different ways. It's an overall booth that works together to promote a common theme, a common message, and common priorities to the attendees at the show.
It's just a great experience, and I just couldn't have done this show or ran it smoothly without SGK or ECI.